morning students. This is a CET class. I am going to upload the notes and question bank that contain the synopsis, and later if you require we can take the books from the college after, in case if the college opens. Okay, I am going to discuss some problems. Synopsis I am not going to discuss in the beginning. Along with the problems only I will discuss the concept points related to that. And I am not going to discuss all the problems. More than 100, 200, 300, 400 problems will be there for topic wise, and you need to work out every problem on this. And all problems are compulsory and very important ones. These problems include case set, it covers case set exams and other competitive exams, common entrances, ARC and JEE and NEET also. I will give guarantee of questions for the case set and NEET. JEE 90%. JEE purposes and you require I have to work out other problems other than this material I gave you. Not from material, I discuss from other courses. So, problems in the beginning. First question, the minimum charge that can be given to the object. What is the minimum charge that you can give is charge of the electron. Electron charge can only be transferred. Quarks have the charge less than electron charge, but quarks are not in our hands under control. Okay, they just form. They are not available freely. They present means they interact with other materials and form the new particles, but they are not available as free as the electrons. So during the electrification of the object, what we can control is only flow of electrons or transfer of the electrons from one object to other objects. So what is the minimum charge is? Yeah, the electron means 1.6 approximately 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. So multiple of the charge only we take the quantization of the charge. Next is 1 coulomb charge is 3 points. 1 coulomb charge contains how many electrons? 1 coulomb charge minus 1 gives plus 1. Minus charge you are giving the object, neutral object. Neutral object has a charge 0, net charge 0. So you are giving the negative charge means adding electrons. Removing the electrons means what you are giving? Positive charge. If you say positive charge given means we don't give positive charge, we actually remove the electrons. 1 coulomb charge. 1 coulomb charge concerns how many number of electrons is? You have to remember this number 6.25 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. Number of electrons. This is equals to 1 by E value. E is the charge of the electron. That value is equals to 6.25 to the power of 18 electrons. Okay, this is the concept point only, but you need to know. But third question, A and B are identical spheres, same size. Identical means same size sphere, same material also. A and B, same radius R. Identical spheres. This is question number 3. Question number 3. A and B are identical spheres. A is rubbed with the B. Then A gets negative charge. Both are rubbed with one another. After rubbing, what happens is A got a negative charge. So B should get a positive charge. A get negative charge, B get a positive charge. That is the question here. A, B are identical spheres. A is rubbed with the B. Then what happens is A got negative charge, B got positive charge. Got negative charge. B got a positive charge. A got negative charge, B got positive charge. Question is, what happened to the masses? Mass of the A is Ma, mass of the B is Ma. You are asked to compare the masses of A and B. Okay, quantization of the charge, total charge is the multiplication of the electron charge. Conservation of the charge is what? Total charge always constant. Initially both are neutral, now also both are neutral. So if some 4 electrons are gained here, negative charge means electrons gain extra. 4 electrons gained here means 4 electrons are lost here. So this is supposed to be 4 electrons, say minus 4e. Then this is supposed to be equal to plus 4e. Okay, the question is mass comparisons. Compare the mass of A and B. So these are the masses. Masses. What happened to the masses? Just comparison only they asked. Gaining the electrons means mass increases. Very less may be, but increases. What is the new mass becomes is mass of the electron 4 electrons gained means what? 4 into mass of the electron is extra mass added to this, and same mass is removed from this. So compare this one. Here the negative charge means mass increases, positive charge means mass decreases. So this one decrease means compared to initial, this is going to be means more, is increase. Therefore, MA is greater than MB. That is comparison of the masses. After charged. This is answer. Next is sixth question, and all the questions are write the hints. If you do not understand any question answers, you can ask me. Sixth question. Two identical pendulums A and B are suspended from the same point. A is given plus 20 nanocoulomb, B is plus 5 nanocoulomb. Sixth question. Two identical pendulums. Two identical pendulums. Identical means same mass of the ball. It means the same length of the ball, the length of the pendulum also. A and B are suspended from the same point. A comma B. Are suspended from same point. A is given plus 20 nanocoulombs plus 20 nanocoulombs to the power of minus 9, and B is given plus 5 nanocoulombs, and B is given plus 5 nanocoulombs. Due to repulsion, both are positive charges, therefore repulsion. 20 nanocoulombs plus 1 is also plus 1. Repulsion will be there. Strings A and B makes angle theta A, theta B respectively vertical. Due to repulsion, B makes angles theta A, theta B with vertical respective angles, respectively with vertical. You have to compare theta A and theta B. Which is more. Both are identical circuits. This is a vertical. Sphere identical means same size, same mass. This is theta A. This is theta B. Due to the repulsion, force will be acting in this direction. This is F. This is electrostatic force. It is acting downwards. This is MA into G. This is going to be MB into G. Mass into acceleration of gravity is nothing but weight. This is X. Theta A taken with vertical, compare the theta and theta B. both identical spheres means mass are equal, and the relation between this force and acceleration is theta. The direction of the force x and this is nothing but equal to weight mg is supposed to be equal to mg direction. In vector form you put it, is a force mg. Here this is the tension in the strings. Tension not required in this problem. So you take the tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but equal to opposite side by adjacent side. This is nothing but equal to vertical distance is y distance. I'm telling you why. The force is mg. So tan theta is nothing but equal to f by mg. Opposite side by adjacent side. Which is also equal to x by y. This is not equal to x by y. What is important is this. Okay. Force for the two different charges. The force is nothing but equal to proportional to this distance if you have taken as r the two spheres. F is directly proportional to Coulomb force. Is directly proportional to Q1 Q2 by r square. So charge on this is Q1 and Qa. The charge on this is nothing but equal to Q2. Two charges will be only single force. So if this force won't be different. But the force are the same force actor. 10 Newton is also 10 Newton. Both this is equal force. But weight is different. If the masses are different, weight is different. But here condition is given that identicals. Identical spheres given. Identical means what? Ma equal to m. Mass is same. Anyway, force is same only. What are the charges you take? Force is same. So mass is also same means what? Theta is also same. In case the mass increases, theta decreases. Tan theta increases, theta decreases. So tan theta is inversely proportional to mass in this case. This is the formula you need to know. Relationship for these comparisons. Here F constant. So what happens now? But what is given in the question is mass are equal. Okay. But if you are not considering electron masses, charges are not same. So if you consider this last 20 coulomb, this is going to be 5 coulombs. 5 coulombs means here more electrons are involved, here less electrons are involved. Mass of electrons we need not consider every time unless we talk about the now electron masses compared to the electrons transfer like this. Just giving this is unequal to. So the small electron mass doesn't affect the theta much. Okay, in that cases you have to consider the mass of the bulb only into consideration, not mass of the electrons. But we are given Ma equal to Mb. So mass is same because mass is same. Theta is also same. Therefore, theta A equal to theta B. If mass is more, what I can say is, if more mass is there, theta will be less. Reverse relation. If unequal masses are there means, unequal masses. If you have taken unequal masses, that means if Ma is greater than Mb, then theta is less. Theta A is less than theta B. Reverse voltage. Means tan theta also same thing. If unequal masses, but given question is this is the answer. Theta equal to theta B. Next 15th question. This is important question, multiple times repeatedly asked. Question. 2 point charges 2 and minus 2 are placed with some separation. Electric field at one point is given at one charge, you have to find the electric field at another charge. Charges Q, minus 2 are placed at some distance apart. Are placed at some distance apart. Electric field at some location of Q is E. Electric field at the location of Q is E. Find the electric field at the location of minus 2Q. Find the electric field at minus 2Q. And the location is on the charge only we have to find out. Electric field at one charge is given. What is electric field at the other charge? This is a point charge only is given. Okay, this is Q. This is going to be minus 2Q. Separate is a R. Okay, electric field on the charge. We don't have a formula. Electric field basic formula what is there for point charge distance R. Electric field is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into the charge magnitude over here by distance square is the basic formula. Whether it is positive or negative charge, you must according to the modulus. Direction is indicated how positive charge electric field is away from it, negative charge is towards it. Electric field is away from positive charge towards the negative charge. So first is given is charges Q and minus 2 are separate by some distance. Electric field at the location is electric field at Q is E. So here electric field is there. That is not because of its pole. Why? On the charge only we are taken is because of the Q. If R you are taken because of the same point charge, then R is 0. When R is 0, electric field is infinity. Okay, it should be very high practically, but we don't have. It's not high actually. What is happening? We don't know. We don't have the formula. So what do we have taken? We always take it from surface outside onwards only, not on the charge. Not inside the charge also what is happening we don't know. So we take it from outside point only. So electric at Q means not because of Q, it is because of minus 2Q. That you have to understand. They won't take it, that you have to know. So here electric field is E. That is because of minus 2Q. Then what is electric field at this point? So it is directed away from towards the you have to take from here. At this point the electric field is because of minus 2Q is E. But it is towards. Electric field because the negative charge is towards. Positive charge is away. So here electric field is this side. That is E, towards. But what about the electric field at the minus 2Q they ask? You have to find the electric field at this point. At this point electric field is because of plus E. That is this side. That is supposed to be E prime. That we have to find. So this is a basic formula, but now I am going to write the answer for this. At Q, electric field due to electric field due to minus 2. Electric field due to minus 2 is due to electric field is due to minus 2Q. That is how much is E equal to E already given equal to not because of the it is minus 4 pi epsilon naught into minus 2Q by distance square. Already separation. Okay. But modulus only we don't take a minus sign to it. This is the first equation. Next is at minus 2. Minus 2. This is in this case electric field because of electric field due to Q is E prime is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon into Q by R square. Okay, this goes to compare with this. What you get the relation is E prime is equals to just a modification of the is nothing but equal to minus load constant. So it becomes equal to 2 times. So this becomes equal to half. E prime equal to 2 by this relationship. E by E prime is 2. This ratio will take it becomes equal to 2. So we want what is E prime. Hence E prime is equals to E by 2. Directly you can know it as just by checking out the relationship. Double charge. Charge is is doubled. Magnitude only you have to take. This is don't bother. Charge is doubled means electric charge is doubled. Here charge is half. Electric is also half. So you must be able to write it directly without solving all this. So some problems I explain the steps, more steps also sometimes come, but you must be able to work out by understanding. For understanding, I will take the more steps. Once you understand this, next time if the problem comes like that, directly you must be able to take it. Don't consider the division for electric fields. Take only magnitudes. Therefore, here charge is doubled, here half compared to here. The electric field is doubled, here half of the electric field compared to this. Twenty-five, 26 is similar kind of problem. So I got 26. Find number of electric filaments. Number of electric fields lines. Find number of electric filaments from charge. Means coming from the charge. 0.5 coulombs, and the number is given without mentioning plus minus. It's supposed to be positive only. Negative means specifically they mention in the word or sign minus there. If they don't put any sign, the number is there. That is supposed to be positive charge. Without mentioning, they just simply charge Q. The Q can take positive values also, negative values also. If they don't mention for the Q, means if they don't mention, most of the cases we go for the positive only, but they will mention if Q is positive or negative. But simply value is given here, number is given, 5, 2, 3, 4, like the number is given, no plus minus given. So it's supposed to be plus. In the question they mentioned positive charge, but I am not mentioning here. No, it will value the problem and discuss the positive. I'll take it as a positive. Find the number of electric filaments for the charge 0.5 coulombs. In the dielectric medium of constant 10. In dielectric medium of constant 10. Dielectric medium of constant 10. Electric lines means equal to flux, electric flux. What is electric flux indicates number of electric lines. Okay, what that is the from the Gauss law we check. Number of electric lines is electric flux. So we have to take Gauss law. Gauss law. What is Gauss law means? Electric flux. Number of electric field lines or electric flux. Electric flux phi equal to Q by epsilon naught. But this work we discussed is just epsilon naught. Is in vacuum or approximately air also. Any medium is given from the electric fields. Any electric field medium is given means multiply this epsilon naught with the K or epsilon R by epsilon. So just take it as a K. This is with medium. With medium around the charge. What medium is dielectric medium. If conductor is a K is infinity, so we don't make the conductor. K is infinity, 1 by infinity is 0. We should not consider that. So flux equal to Q by epsilon. Substitute the value here, you get the value. And what is the data given? Q is equal to 0.5 coulombs. K is 10 and epsilon naught is 8.854 10 to the power of minus 12 farad per minute. And other units also there, in terms of Newton also we can take a from coulombs by the expression for units of this epsilon naught. Other unit is coulomb square per meter 1 meters. Parallel meter means F by M also equivalent. Substitute of this, therefore, flux itself is number of electric lines is equals to 0.5 joules by n into 8.854 into 10 to the power of minus 12. 10 to the power of minus 12 take the numerator becomes equal to plus 1. But in your exams, competitive exams, they don't give the value like 0.5 like this. They will give you the value way which you can calculate without a calculator directly must not be cut off. So, but generally they will give the multiples of this quantity as a numerator approximately. They may give 8.85 like this as a charge. Then directly you can answer this. Then you can get the relation. Here in this problem I didn't give you like that. Then you calculate with the calculator or other methods are in the offer. Take little time. Approximately you can take 8.85 as 8.9 you get it. Okay, approximately 9 you get it and you get divided into nearest answers. The answer you get is 5.65. 5.65 into 10 to the power of 9 is the number of lines. Line number will be always positive only, you cannot get power of minus. More than 1 units. Next two problems, remaining problems we will discuss in the next class.